Hello trader, XAUUSD as expected. We can see this instrument currently trending, and we have seen that there was a stronger manipulation here. Later, the market has created an overextended break of this support, and we can see the market has rejected back again from that level. Now, currently, it's again pushing back to the potentially to this resistance line, and on the lower time frame we can expect significant trading opportunity in this market. So before we look at how we can trade, looking at the monthly chart to see overall direction in this market. So looking at monthly gold, we can see that from this monthly support level, this is a significant monthly support where the price has tested this level multiple times and has got that rejection back to the upside from this previous monthly support level. Now it is a long-term bull market. We can see the price try to break this low multiple times, and the bulls are active and getting the rejection back again. So therefore we can expect this market potentially to continue to bounce back again to the upside to create a new higher high. Now if we look at the weekly chart, that we can see from the weekly time frame, this is the weekly price section where the market is what we can see potentially rejecting back again from the weekly time frame. And what we can see currently, the price in this weekly resistance line, and this is where the price initially dropped down and the price approaching now to the weekly high. What I think we may see the price to potentially go back up again for another retest to this weekly resistance, and we are almost at the end of the week. What I think that the price may potentially revert back again in the next week, as with the weak feel of the previous weekly candle, the price has got that rejection back. Now if we look at the daily chart here on XAUUSD, from the daily time frame we can see that previous daily price was a complete break of structure and then immediate rejection. Here is we can see there is a daily rejection here as well. So back to back two long week candles, one tested the high, dropped down, one tested the low, grabbed the liquidity. Now what we could see here from the daily on gold, a potential double bottom and then trend continuation, as this market has grabbed the liquidity from the high and grabbed the liquidity from the low. On both direction it gain momentum, and the market may potentially to continue to rise here to create a new higher high. So if we look at the 4 hour chart and also the 1 hour, including the 30 minutes, that we will be entering into the red potential on this lower time frame, that we can see this is the 30 minutes candlestick pattern where the market trend is significantly up. So here is this is a very important long-term support level. We have seen in the past the price tested this low, created this move, has dropped back down from a huge long week rejection to the upside, created this bigger move, and the price dropped back down again to that support level, extended below, and now it is trending again to the direction of the trend, where this is a move followed by sideways, and we can see here a stronger liquidity grab. The market is again reverting back to the upside here on the 30 minutes time frame. So candle closing in a couple of minutes, what I think this could be an opportunity for a short term bullish opportunity here. At currently the price is 3353 level, expecting it to bounce back up here and potentially break this 3357 or above this level. And what I think today the market may potentially go back to even retest this high here, as this is the point where the market had created this move, overextended below, and it's a long-term bull market. We could see the price again to go ahead and hit that level or even potentially break that high to the upside. So this is where I will be waiting for a potential entry on the lower time frame. As soon as you will find suitable entry on XAUUSD, will be looking to go long with a high probability trade setup for this potential move back to the upside with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoyed this education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.